Hi everyone, this is Flo and today I want to review the JellyBam version 6.7 on my HTC One X, also available for a lot of other devices. So as you can see with this boot animation, this is a JellyBam with version 4.2.2 just there. Okay, so here is my pin code, as you can see there. You start with two different launchers. So there is the touch with home launcher just there. I want just to show you that one time, just like that, with the different things working there, with the different drawer there, with the widgets here also. And you can also switch for the other one. This is the launcher there. So I will just use for this review this one with always for this launcher. Okay. So there is a lot of things there as the drawer there with some applications. You don't have to choose it, but there is no ARM installer. This is just that with those different applications. We are maybe waiting for an ad block or something like that to be complete. On this one we get the different application as Android Tweaker 3 there with different things as the calendar. This is Android 4.2 calendar just there. The Gmail, different application as the Google Now, the exposed app settings just there with all app settings, the exposed installer and the update me for new release, for example. Okay, also we get the camera just there here, and this is the camera, no thanks, this one just here, and you have different things that you can choose like that. The HDR mode, switch for camera and others, complete camera now for that. We get also the thing for the sphere mode just there. We have to keep it like that. Oh, this is the panorama mode. Okay. We get also the video recording just there with the different options. Okay. On this custom ROM we get also different things as there the this status notification bar with this way just to switch with the different icons. I have unchecked it because on the HTC One X we already get it, but you can select it just there and we get then the different things as go to Google Now, and you can also just remap different selections just here. I don't need it, so you can also switch like that. I just turn it off and I can use it just like that, you know, I use it and I can remove a lot of things. Okay, you get also this option to go to the search option, the back button and some things like that. Okay, you are able to use the different users. So this is mine, for example, with Gmail and my internet website. On settings you can go there and use users, and on user you can create a new user to the same phone and just switch the different account on the same phone for different Gmail, for example, and settings for that. Also we are able to use different things and different profiles, because this is something on the Android new version just there with different cyanogen mode options there. Then we are able to customize our ROM custom with the BAM control. On BAM control you have all things about the general interface, about the boot animation. You can custom it if you get new files for that, for example. You can disable the boot animation, use the hardware back to kill. So this is this key just to kill the application, for example. You can enable it and the user interface setting. You get also the recent bar RAM. This is this one just there. You also get the kill app back button. On miscellaneous you can use the dual panel mode just there. Restart setting to take effect, so you have to restart the settings. You can show the menu user interface overflow, allow the 180 degrees rotation, CRT screen on, and disable the full screen keyboard, for example. Okay, you have different things like that. You have also the PI control. The PI control are just for there. When you use this PI there, you can just switch with different remap options. So you have to go on Pi control there. You can switch the trigger size, the Pi coefficient just there on the top or over, the Pi size, so something like that. Pi style just there with quick or slow as you prefer, the Pi gap, huge, big or others, middle element, the different targets, and last app button enable on the last, something like that. Okay, you have some things to know about that also. Okay, so this is the dual panel mode I have selected before. So you can use it like that as you can see. There is also the lock screen option, so general interface. I will disable it like that. Okay, so just go over settings. Okay, so let's go on BAM control. With the lock screen, you can use the screen security different interface as the slide, the face unlock, pin or password or others. You have also the automatically lock, the owner info that you can just add there, the menu to unlock, vibrate options and other. The default background for the lock screen, custom image, you can just select it, for example, this pizza, I don't know, this one there. Okay, you can just use it if you want. Okay, and yes, click OK, and let's go to use it on the lock screen. Yes, so wait 1 second, saving the picture. During this time I will just disable the Pi just there. Okay, please, let's go. Whoa, 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 whoa. I have a video to do, please continue. Okay, the background image is changed successfully. You can hide the initial page hints, minimize the lock screen challenge, enable the lock screen and other things as widgets, home screen widgets, use widget carousel like that, allow unlimited widgets. For different shortcuts also, you can just view and change the different shortcuts. For example, I want to add the camera, the clock, and I don't know, the Gmail just there. Okay, if I just go back to the shortcut there. Okay, you can also use the slider shortcuts like that, just add different. For example, I want to use I don't know, application just there, the camera for this one. Okay, and I don't know, for this one something else as the gallery there. Okay, then you can also use the button actions for different buttons there on the lock screen. You have the volume wake just to open it, and volume music control, and allow the lock screen rotation. Then you adjust to lock it like that, and when you turn it on, you have your direct recent I don't know, your shortcuts there to go to your different actions and applications, and you also are able there, excuse me, to use the different things. Okay, why there is no different things? It must. Okay, so maybe I haven't saved it. So you have also the rotation of this lock screen. As you can see there is different things also just there. As more, we have also the menu, I don't know what it is, the recent apps and other things. As back also, and select for different things as the BAM control just here, and we also get, okay, you have to use the center of the font to do that. Oh, sorry, I have just turned excuse me. Okay, sorry, I am not able to do what I want just now. Excuse me. Okay, so let's go menu, system settings, display, brightness. Okay, excuse me, I don't know why that's happened, but this is on the settings. On the settings I have just changed there with the Pi control, I think. Okay, You get also the navigation bar just there with different things. You can change the transparency, the different buttons actions just there, and nav button. So this is the navigation bar. The navigation ring just there, you can also add different things. One target, you can also get 3 targets and select it and switch it, for example. Then you have to save like that. You have also the navigation, the power menu. You can just add shortcut, for example, and user switcher there, here, and you can just switch your different users if you get different users. Okay. There is also the notification panel, just there, notification to our background. The power widgets, the status bar, quick pull down and briefing SMS, custom carrier labels, and other things as limit of notifications or not. You have also the quick settings panel with auto close the panel, the ties and layouts, and other things. You get something about the battery. You can switch the battery icon style just there. Excuse me, you have maybe battery bar style just there if you want. I'm maybe not using it. Battery bar style, center mirrored. Okay, battery icon, you can use text only or root box just there, for example. Something like that is just so cool, as you can see. You can also just use low battery warning with pop-up and sound or other things if you want. You get also the clock options just there, the clock style for the status notification bar. You can use it on center clock, for example. Change the signal text, but you can also switch with JellyBam, something like that. And you have also the exposed framework just there with different things as the modules and the framework, the exposed GPA, okay, just there, the chronus clock, okay, settings as stop for that, okay. On BAM control you get also the things about the LED, vibrations, S-Pen gesture and others. Okay, on the paranoid preferences you can just switch for different user interface as the tablet user interface. Wait 1 second. Okay, as the tablet user interface and others for that. As you can see, if I switch it, maybe at the end of the video, you can use the tablet mode. Okay. Then you have the themes. If you will download it, you can use different themes, and the wallpapers for the JellyBam. As you can see, there is some wallpapers just there. As you can see, there is a lot of wallpapers. Okay, I think that's all about this. This is a lot of things for this custom ROM. Yes, I haven't talked about. Okay, wait, I am trying to use this status bar. I don't know why it's not working now. I want to show you the battery, because when I stop to use it like that, you know, it just get a lot of battery, and I don't left 1% for 1 hour and a half with my phone just turned off like that. But then I use the call just there. Okay, wait 1 second. Okay, when I use the call, this is the screen on, then the call, and then this is different things. I am showing you different things. Okay, moreover, you can also use the lock screen like that, just there, just to add different things as the calculator and other applications. And then let's go to show you the menu system settings there and the paranoid preferences, and let's go to use the tablet. So you can use, for example, this one, check it, properties, super user granted to 1x settings. Wait for a few seconds. And we can go back to the screen just there. Okay, so that's not working currently. You have to use it and then you can use the tablet mode. Okay, so I hope you will love this review, and try to ask me and ask the XJ Fred. Thanks to have seen this video, thanks to the team to release this amazing JellyBam that was Flow. Don't forget to subscribe.